Hey everybody, welcome back to the Billy Bob's Burgers and Barbecue channel, where we make burgers, barbecue, and other things that are related to burgers and barbecue. It's kind of in the name. I don't know why that's a confusion. It isn't. No one's confused, except the one guy in the comments. Looking at you, one guy. All right, today we're making barbecue egg rolls, so we need egg roll wrappers, and we need some barbecue to put in it. I have a confession. My smoker is sleeping with the fishes. It's wearing some concrete wheels. I don't know why it didn't float in the first place, but we thought we'd really anchor it down. It is in the briny deep of Davy Jones's locker. I don't know how many more metaphors we need. It didn't make it. So, I'm a little short on barbecue at the moment. I'm going to do something unthinkable. Okay, there's a lot of shame right now. I'm sorry. I failed you. I failed myself. I failed as a man. I failed as an American. Because barbecue is very American. And if you are using scissors to open up, oh, and I didn't even do that right. Oh my God. All right, well, welcome to Wilhelmina's Barbecue channel. Jesus Christ. Seriously, cheese and rice, people. You heard me. I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is a lot of rigmarole for this. Okay, I'm gonna get a bowl. All right, we're gonna put this in here. I don't know, the energy kind of like sucked out of the room when I had to grab this. Yeah, right here. It hurts a little bit. And my left arm's a little numb. Just kidding. But seriously, I feel really bad doing this. It just kind of feels wrong. Kind of feels wrong. I gotta know how bad it is. Hold on. We gotta know. Before we go any further, this might be a, hey, thanks for watching. Don't buy this. Or it might be, oh my God, this is the best thing ever. I don't know, but I'm not giving this high hopes. It's cold too. But who hasn't had cold barbecue? Please. If you like sugar meat, that's really good sugar meat. Wow. That is the sweetest sauce I have ever seen. Which will work actually for this. But oh dear Lord. That's a whoo. Okay. We're gonna make egg rolls. So what do you need? You need egg rolls. Okay, I'm gonna get back on track here because this seriously, the energy sucked out of this room really, really fast. I'm gonna bring it back up. Bring it back up. Egg roll wrappers, not spring roll wrappers. Egg roll wrappers, because there is a very big difference. We're making egg rolls, not spring rolls. If you don't know the difference between an egg roll and a spring roll, please let me educate you. You're a dumbass. There you go. Now you know. Spring rolls are very crispy, very thin, and they're much smaller. Spring rolls, like that sort of thing. Egg rolls are bigger, thicker, fatter, and they usually get the blisters on them and stuff like that. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. If I can ever get these things open, because these are kind of a pain. It's like you can just tear it. Really? Can you? Can you? No. I don't know if you can. I can't. Okay, well, that was fun. It's 20 minutes of my life I won't get back. There you go. Wow. All right, so let's make some egg rolls. God, this is going to be a weird video. This is going to be weird. It's going to be weird. I'm just telling you, it's going to be weird. Okay, this is a weird day. This is really, really weird. Okay, I just spent like 10 minutes fighting with my cornstarch to try and get my cornstarch slurry thing going. I don't know what's going on here, but oh boy, these better be delicious. Okay, so we need cornstarch to put, glue it together. I don't know what the word was. I don't know anymore. But we're going to use that. You can use an egg white if you want to. Either one works pretty well. If you're doing this as like a vegan thing, you definitely want to use the cornstarch. All right, moving on. Is there cheese in an egg roll? No, never, except today. Okay, so we're going to... We're crazy people. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. We have one, put it in a diamond pattern, put the flour side down. How do you know the flour side? It's the one with the flour on it. We are going to layer this up with some yummy goodness. We are going to try and get some of our pork on here. We are going to lay it on fairly thick because egg rolls should be chunky and meaty and thick. Spring rolls are those little itty bitty nasty things. Okay, should probably break this up first. It's not really broken up yet, so you're gonna have to break it. They are lazy, man. It's pulled pork. They didn't even pull it. It's just pork. I have to pull it? They should have called it you pulled pork. No, they didn't. It's like U-Haul. Don't get me started about U-Haul. All right. Bringing the energy back up. Bringing the energy back up. I'm just using the same tongs. Who cares? It's all going in here. All right. We have our apple bacon slaw. Apple bacon slaw. Say that one time fast. Or don't. I don't care. We're doing this one here. This is amazing and delicious. Again, we're putting a good amount on here because this is good. Now, what do I have here? These are pickled red onions. Yeah, pickled red onions. Should you put the pickled red onions next to the pork underneath the slaw? Sure. Why don't we do that? In fact, why don't we just mix the whole thing up? There you go. We'll just, what the heck? There. Now it's mixed. Give it a mixy mix. Everybody likes it. Everybody's happy. Okay, perfect. Yeah, go on top. Am I going to put cheese in this one? No. We're making 2 cheese, no, and 2 no cheese. These are the no cheese. Okay, so we go diagonal here. We're going to go across. We're going to pull. We're going to get this as tight as possible to try and get air voids out of it. We're going to give it a little bit of a fold there. We're going to bring in our sides. I'm going to take our cornstarch water. We are going to make glue here because we got to make glue. It's wallpaper paste basically. That's flour, but same principle. Boom. There's an egg roll. She's ready to go. That's going to get nasty. Let's keep going. Let's make another one real quick. All right, we're doing this. Doing that. We're going to put some cheese in this. I'm cheesing this one. Oh, I'm going to cheese it. Oh, that's just dumb enough to work. It is. It's just dumb enough to work. And this time, we're going to put the onions down first, and then some of our apple bacon onions. The apple bacon cabbage is delicious, whatever you call it. And we are going to do this. Again, we were flour side down. Why do you have to go flour side down? Because that's how you get the blisters on it. Do you like the blisters, the fun little bits? Oh, you're going to love this because I'm going to show you how to make authentic, real New York Chinese restaurant egg rolls. The real ones. Real stuff here, folks. And if you put a little dab here, it'll help hold these wings in so that they don't want to blow out. There you go. Okay, let's just give this a roll ski. Oh yeah, that's crazy right there. Look at how beautiful, how big that is. They're gorgeous. Sorry, my eye is leaking. The allergies are killing me. Weather shifted the past couple of days. Absolutely killing me. This is going to the deep fryer. We got the deep fryer set at 325. These are going to cook for several minutes. Yes, several minutes. We do these in 2 batches. I will show you that in a second, but you're going to basically cook them, then you're going to take them out, let them cool off for a second, 3-4 minutes, something like that, 10 minutes, and then you drop them back in, and you have the crispy ones with all the blisters and all the thing. Hopefully, that's where the magic happens. Let's go to the deep fryer. It is set, it is going, it is happy as hell. It smells deep fryery in here, and we're going to cook these up and hope they don't go and fall apart. Because if they do, you won't see this video. You might. I don't really have anything else to put out today. Okay, the secret to making great egg rolls is 2-step process. We're 300 degrees on the oil. We're going to drop these in. We're going to let them cook for about 4 or 5 minutes with these. After that, they look about like this. They're just starting to get a little bit of browns there. We're going to set that off to the side for about 10 minutes, let them cool down, then we heat the oil back up to 375, and they go back in for about a minute or so. I'm going to use the tongs here, and we're just going to make sure that all sides are fully fried and beautiful, nothing sticking up out of the oil, and that's basically it. Then they come out, they should not be this well done. All right, let's eat them anyway. Come on, a little burnt never hurt anybody, right? Okay, they're out of the deep fryer, and my impatience is about to cost me a layer of skin on my tongue. Probably, a few other blisters here and there. But these things, they actually smell really good. They look, my egg rolling skills are nasty. I'll just say that, but come on, that's egg roll delicious. Let's find out. I'm curious. What is deep fried? Oh, it's burning my fingers. What do you think the inside of that's going to be like? Oh, there's that devil here and the angel here going, yeah, it's okay, don't worry. Oh, yeah, you want to eat it, yeah. Oh, boy. No, just let it rest, it'll be fine. Hey, bite it now. You know what happens if you bite it too quickly? You suck. Was that out loud? I guess we know which side wins. Ah! That's a lot of wrapper. A little bit. What can only be described as some of the worst pulled pork ever. Oh, let's get some slaw, something. Hang on, it's going to take a couple of bites to get in here on this one. I'll try a little more. Well, a little slaw. Yeah, let these cool down. Oh my god. Ow! Burning my fingers. And I have asbestos fingers. That has to be, well, it was 375 degrees a second ago. So I'm going to go with, it's really hot. I let this sit here like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Give them 10 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, let's try this again. This time with a little less tongue burning. These look still the same. But they're a little bit cooler now. We can actually pick this up. What do you know? The part that isn't burnt, it looks pretty good, but we have to get past the burnt part. So let's take a good bite. Oh, inside of that, that's, even with the crappy pulled pork, well, that's lovely. The slaw gives it, oh, okay. I gotta know what the cheese tastes like. We gotta go in. I'm going in. Cheese is gonna make it hot. It's oozing a little bit of cheese. I can see there's cheese oozage a little bit, oozy goozy. So you know that it's goozy in here. Let's go for it. I didn't get much on that one. That slid down the end. It's a lot goozier. Hang on, another bite. Okay. You don't really taste cheese, but oh man, it makes a beautiful sauce inside of it because it's completely melted. And mixed with the slaw. Oh, that is a radically different egg roll. It tastes, because you got the vinegary, mustardy sauce, the dressing from the slaw. You saw that video, right? Of course you did. That is delicious, and it gives it a nice brightness compared to the super sweet barbecue sauce from the really crappy pulled pork. That, sorry, Jack Daniels, do better. But don't put your name on something that you're not proud of. Come on. But this was very creamy. It changes it. It takes that acidicness out of it and just makes it a nice, lovely creaminess. Oh, and it also takes some of the sweet out of the barbecue sauce. That's a tough one. Which one would I prefer? In this particular case, because the pork is terrible, it really kind of blends out the sweetness of it. Without the cheese, wow, it's like really sweet, really acidic. Cheese for the win. Cheese for the win. You heard it here first, folks. For that sort of controversy and those hot takes, you can only find that in one place. That's Billy Bob's Barbecue and Burger channel, and burgers and barbecues. I don't know what it is anymore. I have no idea. I just work here. But okay, that ending took like 10 minutes. Let's see if we can re-rack this to some point where it'll make sense. And say thanks for watching this. If you want to see more stuff like this, you gotta subscribe and watch the channel. And if you do, then you'll know when the next thing comes out, because hopefully it's very, very soon, and you'll like it as much as you like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.